Critique of rational thinking, Shui Feng. Rational thinking involves observing, comparing, analyzing, and summarizing phenomena and facts to find patterns, abstract, generalize, and judge in order to identify development directions or solve problems. Rational thinking is the thinking of wise people and is considered advanced human thinking. Most humans do not possess rational thinking. They rely on instinct and are driven by wealth, power, reputation, and status. The reason humanity has not yet entered a truly civilized society is due to the overly materialistic thinking of the masses and the excessively rational thinking of the wise. In fact, rational thinking is a major obstacle to humanity entering a civilized society. As a form of human thinking, rational thinking is limited. No matter how meticulous or objective human thinking is, understanding the vast world and human nature remains partial and limited. Therefore, human intelligence alone cannot establish a civilized society. Planned economies are bound to fail, and stronger governments lead to greater disasters. The core reason is that human rationality is limited and cannot account for the interconnectedness of things, which involves 64 factors. Scientists' attempts to establish a unified field theory of the universe fail because science only acknowledges 4 forces and ignores the other 4. How can a unified field theory be established? Humans do not know what will happen tomorrow, so how can they plan? John Locke identified life, liberty, and property as the 3 essential elements of natural human rights. Friedrich Hayek believed that property rights are the core of market order and individual freedom. Countries like the UK and the USA became relatively civilized and powerful mainly because they enshrined the sanctity of private property in law. Even a thatched cottage is sacred and inviolable. The wind can enter, the rain can enter, but the king cannot enter. The essence of capitalism is to ensure the sanctity of private property. It is almost impossible to establish a system superior to capitalism through human rationality or ideals. Therefore, ideal societies such as communism and utopia cannot be realized and will instead lead to disaster. Thus, the sanctity of private property is a just principle for human society. Ensuring the inviolability of the property of people, like Elon Musk, is undoubtedly beneficial for all of humanity. However, the sanctity of private property does not meet the standards of the heavenly kingdom, nor does it align with the mindset and needs of the proletariat. To elevate human character, soothe the soul of the proletariat, and advance humanity to a higher level of civilization, the sanctity of private property cannot become a legal principle. Nonetheless, infringing upon legitimate private property is undoubtedly wrong and cannot be justified under any circumstances. Making 99% of people live happily, freely, and contentedly cannot be achieved through planned or market economies, nor through rational thinking alone. Designing an ideal social system through human wisdom is impossible. Relying on the invisible hand of the market returns society to the law of the jungle, where only the fittest survive. Can humanity enter a higher state of civilization by abandoning rationality and the market? Yes, by simply replicating the lifestyle mechanisms of the heavenly kingdom. The second home created by Life Chanyon replicates the production and living modes of the millennial realm of the heavenly kingdom. This replication model eliminates human rational intervention and the law of the jungle. June 27, 2024.